512 is 597 uniform. Come up 13101, Victor. Too far. 13101, ready, read me here. Papa, this is Delta Papa. I am ready to your location. I will be there very soon. 130, come on down and join us.
The Philippine Air Force is looking at the possibility of acquiring heavy-lift helicopters as part of efforts to beef up its helicopter fleet. According to PAF spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Maynard Mariano, there is a project for heavy-lift helicopters, but this is still being worked out by the technical working group. Heavy-lift helicopter will be used in transporting large number of cargoes and personnel into battle area or in time of human assistance and disaster relief. Philippine Air Force has been in long time planning to have this kind of helicopter that will boost their transport capacity. No helicopter in AFP inventory that can lift 155mm howitzer or even Humvees other than CH-47 Chinook. There is some report that some officer in military had been choose the MiL-17 from Russia as part of consideration by President Duterte. But due to some restriction imposed by the United States of America against Russia will not push through. A heavy-lift helicopter is a type of rotary aircraft capable of lifting large numbers of personnel or cargo. Earlier reports said one of the heavy-lift helicopters being looked into is the twin-engine Boeing CH-47 Chinook. The CH-47 is among Western-made helicopters that have a high lifting capacity. It can carry up to 24,000 pounds of cargo and personnel. The Chinook possesses several means of loading various cargoes, including multiple doors across the fuselage, a wide loading ramp located at the rear of the fuselage, and a total of 3 external ventral cargo hooks to carry underslung loads. Capable of a top speed of 170 knots, 200 miles per hour, 310 kilometers high. Upon its introduction to service in 1962, the helicopter was considerably faster than contemporary 1960s utility helicopters and attack helicopters, and is still one of the fastest helicopters in the U.S. inventory.